So how to insert SIM card or SD card, micro SD card on your Samsung Galaxy A16. So you have to use this kind of pin, press and hold, then just erase this one. Now insert your SD card and SIM properly. Make sure you are using nano SIM. So once done, now carefully insert it. So make sure you are inserting it properly. Now open your phone, then you can see SD card is arrived. Let's check. To check, go to your setting, then go to connections, and if you go to the SIM management, then you can see your SIM, and for SD card go to your Samsung and open file manager, then you can see SD card also available here. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.